Alicia Keys made a powerful statement at the 2025 Grammy Awards. While accepting the Dr. Dre Global Impact Award, she used her moment on stage to speak about diversity, equity, and inclusion. "This is not the time to shut down the diversity of voices we've seen on this stage," she said. "Talented, hard-working people from different backgrounds with different points of view change the game. DEI is not a threat, it's a gift. When destructive forces try to bring us down, we rise like a phoenix." Her words came shortly after a recent executive order from former President Trump targeting federal DEI programs. Alicia wasn't the only artist addressing social and political issues at the event. Lady Gaga, who won Best Pop Duo/Group Performance with Bruno Mars, sent a heartfelt message to the LGBTQ+ community. "I just want to say tonight that trans people are not invisible. Trans people deserve love. The queer community deserves to be lifted up." Shakira also took the stage to stand up for immigrants while accepting the Best Latin Pop Album Award. "I want to dedicate this award to all my immigrant brothers and sisters in this country. You are loved. You are worth it, and I will always fight with you." Grammy host Trevor Noah added some humor to the political conversations. Addressing deportation policies, he joked, "I don't know if you know this, but there have been a few changes in Washington. I'm going to enjoy tonight because this may be my last time hosting anything in this country." He also referenced immigration in his monologue, saying, "We're here to honor the best in music, as voted on by 13,000 members of the Recording Academy and 20 million elite immigrants." Not all political statements at the Grammys were against Trump. Singer Joy Villa made a bold appearance on the red carpet, wearing a red hat similar to the former president's "Make America Great Again" caps. Hers read, "The hat stays on." If you love staying updated on celebrity moments and award show highlights, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.